Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. We love hearing from our Smart Certificates community, and we've gathered your most frequently asked questions to help you get the very best out of the add-on. Let's dive into some common queries and powerful solutions. Question 1. My add-on isn't appearing after installation. What should I do? If Smart Certificates doesn't immediately appear, simply refresh your Google Form page. If it's still missing, double-check the Google Workspace Marketplace to ensure the installation was successful for your account. Question 2. How do I select my Google Slides template? In the Smart Certificates sidebar, go to Certificate Settings. Click the Google Drive icon next to Certificate Template, and then you can browse or search for your desired Google Slides template. Remember, it needs to be in PPTX format in your Google Drive. Question 3. My placeholders aren't merging correctly. What's wrong? The most common issue is incorrect placeholder syntax. Ensure your placeholders are enclosed in double curly braces like name, not single or square brackets. Also, verify that each template tag is correctly mapped to its corresponding question in your Google form under Map Placeholders in the add-on settings. Question 4. Can I use an uploaded image in my certificate? Yes, Smart Certificates supports image merging. Simply add a placeholder like photo in your Google Slides template and map it to your file upload question in the form and see the magic. Question 5. My emails aren't sending or going to spam. Help. First, check the Mail Statuses column in your Google Sheet for any error messages. Ensure your sender name in mail settings is a recognized email address. Also, advise recipients to check their spam or junk folders. Question 6. How can I ensure certificates are saved in a specific drive folder? In Certificate Settings, under Destination folder, click the folder icon to select the exact Google Drive folder where you want all your generated documents to be stored. This helps keep everything organized. We hope these answers help you master Smart Certificates. For more in-depth articles, troubleshooting guides, or to contact our support team, visit our comprehensive help center. Install Smart Certificates today and unleash your automation potential. Visit gwaddons.com or find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace.